Hi everybody, it's Miss Renee. I am trying something new. I thought I would try to do our morning routine and see how well this works and if you like it. So I'm going to start, we're going to do our hello song and a greet. We're going to check the weather and do letter of the day, number of the day, and even shape of the day. So I'm pretty excited about this. I think this will be a lot of fun. So hopefully you have fun too. I hope that you enjoy singing with me and learning with me, and then checking out the other fun things that we have on the website. So let's check it out. This first screen here, it says welcome. I'm so excited to see you all again. Very, very fun. So let's check this out. The next one is our hello song. So we're going to sing our hello song together. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? 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 Very fun. Thank you for singing that with me. All right, and then our next screen, this is for our greet. Every day we would choose a way to greet our friends. So if there is a family member around you or a friend close by, you can greet them. You can choose. Let's see. Today, let's choose high five. So give your friends a high five and say good morning or good afternoon. All right, good job, friends. The next thing we're going to work on is the weather. When we look outside, it might be cloudy or sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy. So let's check it out. I think we are kind of cloudy today. So we're going to put today is cloudy. Here we are for our letter of the day. Let's see what our letter of the day is today. It is K. K is our letter of the day. K makes the sound k, 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 K. All right, let's watch our video about the letter K.
The next key on the keyboard is the letter K. It's okay, to be a kangaroo. It's okay, to like ketchup too. It's okay, see a koala bear up in the tree. K's okay with me. It's okay to fly a kite up in the sky. It's okay to eat cake. Try. It's okay to unlock the door with a key. K's okay with me. Kazoo solo. Do these khaki pants match my kayak? It's okay with me. It's okay to kick the ball. It's okay to be kind to your grandma. It's okay to snuggle with your kitty. It's okay with me. It's okay with me. That was some cookie kazoo. You are not kidding.
Oh, how fun. K is our letter of the day today. K makes this sound k, k, k. All right, good job. All right, we're going to check out what the number of the day is today. It's been a long time since we've done a number of the day. I bet you guys know what this is. Let's check it out. I see a 0. Ooh, and a 1. A 1 and a 0 makes the number 10. Show 10 fingers. We're going to count. We're going to put up 2 zeros and we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. And let's check out our little number 10 video.
Well, I got my kicks just counting to 10. I count 10 tigers and I count them again. I count 10 pins in a bowling lane. I count 10 umbrellas when it starts to rain. I count 10 flying fishes and it's such a thrill. I want to keep counting and I think I will. I got 10 pennies and I got 10 dimes. I know because I counted them all 10 times. I can count 10 toads playing 10 guitars, 10 chipmunks jumping on chocolate bars. I count 10 giraffes with their 10 long necks. If I were a Roman, I'd count the X. Crazy about the number 10. It's a little bit of heaven between 9 and 11. I'm excited just to write it with a big felt pen. 10 ladybugs, 10 butterflies, 10 chocolate malts, 10 French fries, 10 rocket ships, 10 astronauts, 10 bento picking story bots. It's the coolest number since I know the win. Everybody's gotta love the number 10. Everybody's gotta love the number 10.
Nice, we saw that number 10. All right, the last thing we're going to do today is our shape detective to find out what our shape is today. So I'm going to tap. Looks like this shape has 1, 2 short sides and 1, 2 long sides. This shape is called a rectangle. A rectangle. So we're going to check out the rectangle song before I say goodbye.
Box is shaped like a rectangle. It sounds like 1, 2. Train, starfish, tank, skyscraper, wooden plank, picnic table, loaf of bread, fluffy pillow, twin bed, swimming pool, meal of hay, lunchroom, food tray, deck of cards, drawing pads, school diploma, paperback, soccer field, tennis court, hockey goal, scoreboard, chocolate cake. That tastes great. It's got 4 sides, got 4 corners. Sides can be long, sides can be shorter, but every corner's at a right angle. That's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. TV, refrigerator, piece of paper, elevator, movie ticket, movie screen, box of candy, drink machine, building block, apple crate, book cover, pencil case, stick of butter, stick of gum, fluffy pillow. This is fun. Bar of soap, parking spot, graham cracker, thanks a lot. You're welcome. It's got 4 sides, got 4 corners. Sides can be long, sides can be shorter, but every corner's at a right angle. That's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. That's a rectangle. Let's talk more about that chocolate cake. Yum.
All right, that was amazing. You guys did an awesome job today. Hopefully you enjoyed our routine video and that you enjoyed that. I will try it again another day. So hopefully this will work for everyone and you'll get an idea of how we do things in the classroom every day, but that you kids can get back into the routine of our daily large group time. So I will see you all later. Thank you so much. Bye.